Nasaan na ba yun? Pasensya na guys, nagbibisi ako sa ano ko. So much busy on the focusing here. Ayan. What's open panty? Kaya nga nagtaka ako. Ayan. Open panty is also part of a test. Do you agree guys? Open panty in your LDR? Wala. Sige nga, magkaalaman nga tayo po. Open panty in the LDR. Is it allowed? So guys, open panty in the LDR, it's everyone's it's own choice, you know, as long it's okay. All I can see, it's okay as long as you are not being told to do so. You are not being forced to do that. Kasi nga, who would just like the test there, well, would you do it? Because some men, they doesn't like that open panty. You know, they like a conservative woman. They like a woman who respect herself like that. And some men, so it depends of the partner. If your partner is like wild like that, maybe it's okay. It's okay, but I don't know. Ano bang masasabi nyo? Lolo. Nakakatawa guys. Oh, this is it. Sis, tipid. Sis, wish. On my day offs, I do Mobi quality time with StreamYard. Oh, Vicky. Hala, si Vicky. May channel pala si Vicky. Oh my goodness. Nakapunta na ako to channel, Birabi. Oh, nakasubscribe na ako dito. Kaya ipanoorin ko nga ito. 20 views 3 months ago. Ay, wala namang upload si Vicky. Vicky, 1 month ago. Oh, wala siya masyadong upload. So, ayan. Yeah, like, nakakatawa. Ayan, maganda yung topic natin kasi open panty. So, it's nice to talk about it. I will explain to you guys about the open panty, ha? Kasi I know everybody is curious about open panty. Ayan, lakihan natin ang ating mata kasi maliit ang ating mata, hindi makakita. I can be independent but I like to get loving care from a woman too. When I go to bar, it's not to look for other woman, but I don't go to bar. So that's good, Biggie. And I'm his manager from Miss Yod. My man always be a boss from Miss Yod. Yes, that's right. Hi, Sis Tipidchi. Haha, Mark. Oh no, not every doing of him her, you will agree, it's best to communicate on things. Yes, communicate really, that's very important. Respect your woman, don't hurt her feelings. Yes, right. Hey, DPG from Mother Mark. If go to the bar, then go with him. What if you are in the LDR with she? I give you a problem. You're in the LDR and he's going to the bar. Well, you cannot do that one. Right? Let him, because, you know, they said let him. Everything he wants, let him. Because anyway, if you will break up because of that word, let him do everything. Like, let him do whatever he wants. You know, the right man will really come back to you. Will really come back to you. Will not be madadala sa iba. Trouble is sometimes things are lost in translation, tipid. Then I go to bar, then go with him. Yes, if you are in the physical wishy. So sometime we will consider about our topic also in the LDR, no? Look at the views, Miss Wish. Love your thumbnail, die. Yup. My thumbnail is very sexy, no? Grabe, nasundog ko yan sa'yo kasi nga, thank you na lang at alam ko na yung apps to make it. What open panty? Agoy, si Vicky na curious. You having an open panty party, Alma? Oh, I hope so there is. So I can see a lots of shapes, a lots of things to put in my mind. You know, ako, my panty has gold locker. Oh, nobody can open it except the one that will test drive. Oh, you will give only to the K for the one who will test drive. Diba? Too much information, Miss Wish. What did I do 1 month ago? I forgot it. Oh my God, Vicky. What open panty? Yeah. On. Oh, good day, Alma. Yes. Kasi yun doon ako, ang ganda. I like it. So, wala siyang expiration, no? Baka mag-expire yun natin. Natatakutan ko. I hope na it will not expire.